Is your database-driven software reporting the Libbdb DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To start our guide for Libbdb, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Libbdb, the Berkeley DB BDB library. It provides unmanaged routines for high-performance, embedded database storage, managing the data link between the app and its persistent storage manifest. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Libbdb belongs to the Windows System Core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Libbdb file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. The versions of Libbdb DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If you're addressing Libbdb inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. If Libbdb is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.